Alright guys, this is going to be your Barbell Incline Chest Press. Now this is again one of your traditional lifts. For you heavy lifters or even you beginner lifters, you're going to want to have a spotter. Safety first is obviously most important. We don't want any injuries on this program. So what you're going to want to do is put that bench up at about right around this angle, just so that you can get that bar to hit at the top of your pectoral muscles. And then what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to have your fingers right on that bar about shoulder width, and you really want to focus on having that 45-degree angle with your elbows to your body, and you're going to lift all the way up and all the way down. Now you really want to have that mind-muscle connection and feel the upper pectoral muscles here engaged. That's going to really help you get that desired effect that you want and that soreness after that workout to let you know that you had a great exercise. Now a big key on this exercise is to keep that back flat on the bench and your feet planted so you don't slide or fall off the bench. Only a few degrees really separate this from the shoulder press, so make sure when you're bringing the bar down, it goes right past your chin and touches the top chest line above your nipples. Focus on that full range of motion.